Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. The Enable Dark Mode function in Microsoft Word can reduce eye strain when working in low light. Dark mode can also help save power on devices with OLED or AMOLED screens. So how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. The first way, move the cursor to the File menu and tap. Then at the bottom left tap Account. In Office Themes select Black. Then tap View. Tap Switch Mode. And the work page will change to white. The second way. That is move the cursor to the File menu. And tap. Then at the bottom left tap Options. And then in Office Theme. Please change it to black. And change the document color. Then tap OK. So that's it. Tutorial how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.